Moving to the third book launch. It's titled The Responsible Manager, Building Blocks of an ESG Perspective, authored by Ms. Meena Raghunathan, an impact professional and consultant who has spent decades working at the intersection of business and social good. The book is a guide for leaders to reimagine management through the lens of sustainability and ethics, something the world needs now more than ever. Please join me in welcoming Ms. Meena Raghunathan. Okay, the book has not been launched yet, so we have a very small sneak peek, or they want to call it a cover reveal. So that's the cover of the book. I'd request Ms. Meena to walk us through the book. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I'll keep it short because the book isn't even out, but that's what it'll look like. Mr. Arun Maira had referred to Gandhianism and industry and economy, and to say that the first quote in my book is a Gandhian quote, which says, "True economics never militates against the highest ethical standards, just as true ethics, to be worthy of its name, must at the same time also be good economics. True economics stands for social justice. It promotes the good of all equally, including the weakest, and is indispensable for a decent life." So my book is basically addressing younger managers because there is a pressure from the top. The government says, you tell us how responsible you're being as a business, how much CSR you're doing. Fill this format called business and social responsibility, the BRSR report. But I don't think managers at the mid-level or junior level even know what they are doing or why they're doing. For them, it's just a format. So my take as an educator is it's important to educate young managers so that they really believe in what they're doing and not just ticking boxes and saying, yes, we've done this for the environment, we've done this for employees, we've done this for the community. They must do it with a conviction. And that's when the world of business will change. What Mr. Maira was also saying, how do we break this whole cycle? So it addresses mid and junior level managers and management students. So I hope that when it's out, it will be adding a little bit of value to take people away from only thinking of profits to thinking also of society and the environment. Thank you. Thank you for this opportunity.